welcome back to Kawaii Toy Collector, and in today's video, I'm going to show you guys 2 ways how to make no-glue slime with only 1 ingredient. So yeah, also guys, hashtag notification squad for my last week's video is... Also remember, please leave a like and subscribe to Kawaii Toy Collector in the comments down below. Give us some video ideas. So let's get right into the video. Okay guys, so in today's video, I'm going to show you guys how to make no-glue slime with only 1 ingredient. It's super easy. All these recipes, I'll be showing 2 only for today. So the first no-glue slime recipe I'll be showing you guys today is how to make no-glue butter slime. So the ingredients you guys need to make this no-glue slime recipe is any type of air-dried clay, and that's about it. So all you guys have to do for this recipe is you're going to get your air-dried clay out. You can use Model Magic, which I have right here. You can get this at the Dollar Tree or the dollar store. You can use slime clay, which I got from Amazon, or even bouncy putty. But for this recipe, I'm going to be using the slime clay. And all you have to do is you're going to get it out of this packaging. And you're just going to mold it with your hands. So the heat of your hands will warm up the clay to make it into like a slime-like texture. So I'm going to play with the clay right now for about a minute or so. Okay, so I've just been molding the clay for a bit now, and now it made a really awesome buttery texture. This is a super easy way how to make no-glue butter slime. It is on the thicker side for slime, but it's really simple, it's really easy. You only need 1 ingredient, and I always recommend this no-glue slime recipe for people who are starting out with slime. So, this is how you make no-glue butter slime. It's super easy and only 1 ingredient. You can even use Play-Doh if you want to. That can work. And if you want to make it a little bit softer, you can add lotion or put it under warm water. But this is how you make no-glue butter slime. Let's move on to the next and final no-glue slime recipe that only needs 1 ingredient. Okay, so the last and final no-glue slime recipe that only needs 1 ingredient is how to make no-glue clear slime. So the ingredients you guys make this slime recipe today is any type of soap. I'm using the Swab one. And you guys will also need a boiler plate to make your slime in. And last but not least, you'll need a mixing tool. So this recipe actually doesn't need a refrigerator. It doesn't need time really. All you have to do is you're going to add your soap into your boiler plate. Just like that. And now I'm just going to get mixing it up and making it super thick so it turns into a slime-like texture. So I'm going to do that right now. So this no-glue slime recipe is definitely on more so of the messy side. I recommend using this if you want kind of a messy slime recipe, if you want a slime to even play in the shower or bathtub, because it still is sticky, but it makes a really cool slime texture, as you can see. It's not really like moldable or anything, but it does make a cool like goo slime, as you can see. And you can even use this if you're like gonna wash your hands, just because if you mix it more, the more you mix, the more it'll turn into like a slime-like texture. I only mixed it for about a minute or so, but still, it's a pretty easy recipe. And even if I mix it a little bit more now, you can see how thick it's getting. Like it's like separating from the sides. But here's a really quick and easy 1 ingredient no-glue slime recipe. On the side note, it's still very messy. It's, you know, it's sticky and stuff, but this is really good if you want to wash your hands and kind of have like a slime-like texture. So this was the last and final no-glue slime recipe, and it's pretty cool to me. If you guys try this out, put it in the comments down below if it worked for you. But yeah, thank you guys so much for watching this video today. Sorry it was a really quick video. I just wanted to show you guys 2 ways on how to make no-glue slime with only 1 ingredient. It's really easy, both of these recipes, and I really like the butter slime recipe. If you guys like it, please put it in the comments down below if it turned out good for you. And even the soap one's really awesome if you want to make slime to like wash your hands or something, because it makes a really cool glue-like texture. But yeah, thank you guys so much for watching this video today. Remember guys, to check out all my brand new YouTube shorts. I've been uploading YouTube shorts like every single day this week, so if you want to watch new content from me, check that out. Also check out all my social medias. It'll be linked down below. But remember to please leave a like and subscribe to Kawaii Toy Collector in the comments down below. Give us some video ideas. Bye guys, I love you so much, and peace, and thumbs up for no-glue slime recipes. Bye!